Hey everyone, with Christmas being just a couple days away, I wanted to show you a very quick way to make some personalized tags with items that you probably already have laying around the house. I have cut down some cardstock, just small sizes, some watercolor paper, as well as some craft paper. I have this particular hole punch that has some little edges to it. This is a corner punch. If you don't have any of this, that's not a problem. I also have just a standard hole punch. For pens, I have the Uniball Signo in different colors. I have the white, silver, red, green, and gold. I'm also using the Tombow Dual Brush pens. These are in red and green, but you can use any standard marker. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. I also have the option of the Molotow Liquid Chrome. This has a mirror effect. This is also another option, not necessarily anything special. Whatever you have laying around is perfectly fine. I have cut these strips to about 2.5 inches or even smaller. So I'm going to punch it out, and it gives it that little beveled edge. And for this one, I will use the green marker, and you can either use anything small. Like for instance, you can use the washi tape and just make a circle, or you can just simply just do some plain circles. This doesn't have to be neat. Then I will go back with the red and just make little dots. Just be creative, use your imagination, and this is supposed to be fun. Next, I'll just add a little bow. And that's pretty much it. Down here, I can write to, and then from, and I have twine that I can cut down to size and use as the little hanging tag. We can also simply use for this one, I did use the inside of the washi tape, and I just made little designs, little dots, and then a bow. For these two, I simply grabbed the green or the white or whatever color you want to use and created a series of ovals going from larger to smaller. So I start large and it gets smaller, 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 smaller. Do a little squiggle up top, and then this time we're just going to use the white because the white tends to show up a little bit more on the craft. So we'll just do a white little star. Then we will go in with the red and make some dots. These are the little ornaments. There you go. So on the back side, you can write to or from, and there you go. You can also just add additional white to it, or you can add some silver, anything you want to do. You can even use it with a marker, and it just all sorts of different variations that you can do, but it's super simple. Next, you can use the liquid chrome marker. And for this one, as you see, I don't have anything on it yet. I don't have a hole. I don't have anything done to this one. This is just a plain piece of cardstock cut down to whatever size I wanted to cut down to. And for this one, I'm just going to write Merry Christmas. And then down here, I will just do some little squiggle. And that's it. Pretty simple, right? So then I'll grab the hole punch. That's it. You can also have a little corner punch like this and pick whichever size you want and just simply stick, here we'll do the smaller one. Stick the corner in, make sure it's flush, and cut it out. And that's it. So for the green one, let's just do write out Happy Holidays. And that's it. You can do whatever design, just be creative. Once again, I'll grab my corner punch, and if you don't have a corner punch, it's okay. You can just leave it like this and just make a little hole punch roughly around the middle of the, and that's it. That still looks cute. So very simple, very easy. You just use your imagination and just be creative and have fun. Folks will appreciate anything that you do that is homemade, and it's an opportunity to just have a great time with yourself or with friend and family, just making whatever you want to do. But there you go. I will link all of these items that I have used on the video.